In Open BIM Layout, the Drawing Elements group contains the different tools which allow us to draw and write on sheets. In this group we can find functions such as line or polygon, for which we only have to adjust the definition properties of the lines to begin drawing. Other functions, such as arc, ellipses and rectangles, have a small drop-down menu where we find more options to define the shape. When we use the Drawing Elements tools, a menu opens up where we can define the properties before drawing. For example, to create a line we have to define the segment, the ends and the line. To create an arc, we have to define the ends and the line. Line is a common parameter in all the drawing elements where we can choose the type of line in type. We select one of the various existing options or a customized style which we can define in the Properties panel. To draw figures that have a surface, such as polygon, ellipses or rectangles, we have to establish the segment and the line, as well as choose the type of fill among all the options. There are also different text creation tools, such as text box, where we define the appearance, and in the styles we determine the type of text, line and fill. For a tag, we determine ends, position and frame, and styles. For text, we define the position and frame and styles. To create a table, we first click on Table and then we click where we want to place it. A new table window opens where we can create the table, adding rows and columns. If we click on an architectural element first, a table will open with its properties. To finish, we click Accept and, if necessary, we move it to another place on the sheet. In Styles, the second group from the left, we can see and define the properties of each figure or text in the same way that we have previously seen in the Styles section. Here we can find the line, text, fill and dimension styles. From these windows we can add, delete, import and export styles. The name of each style is found under Reference. In Line we define the style using the line type, scale factor, pen thickness, printing colour and identification colour parameters. In Text we determine the source and the colour. In Fill, the type, the pen thickness, the hatch spacing, the printing colour, the identification colour and the fill background. In Dimension, the initial, final, origin offset, text with units, font and colour. By modifying these variables, we can create a range of styles that are loaded as types in each drawing tool after clicking Accept.